Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we'll look at how we can copy or transfer files between Linux Mint machine and Windows 11 machine. Now this is the Windows 11 machine and this is the Linux Mint machine. I've already created two files. I have a text file on the Linux Mint and a text file on the Windows 11. Now on the Windows 11 we'll need a tool called WinSCP that uses SSH. We'll need to download and install it, and on Linux Mint we just need to verify that we have SSH installed and running. Now I'm gonna open the terminal, and to check if SSH is enabled and running, we'll use the command system ctl status SSH, and I have it enabled but it's inactive, so I need to start the services. So quit this. So to start the services we'll use sudo system ctl start SSH, put in the password, then rerun the command system ctl status SSH, and now it's active and running. Quit this. Now in case you don't have it installed, the command to install SSH is going to be sudo apt install open SSH server. That's the command to install SSH. The other thing we'll need on this device is the IP address. You can use the IP address command, and that should show us the IP address. For this one it's 172.16.1.104. Once we have that information, we can go to the Windows 11 device, and here we need to download WinSCP. So open a browser and then we'll search for WinSCP download. We'll go to the winscp.net site, and here we have the option to download WinSCP, so click on this. The download started, and there it is, and this should be downloaded into your downloads folder by default. So it's done. Let me minimize this. I'll open the file explorer here, and we want to go to the downloads folder, and there is the WinSCP file. It's a .exe file, so we'll need to install it. Double click on it. You can install it for all users. Select yes. Accept. Next. Next. Install. Finish, and there is WinSCP. I have a shortcut on the desktop. Let me just close this. I'm gonna double click on this to open it, and that's WinSCP. This is the tool we'll be using to transfer files. Now it's asking us to log in, so we'll need to log into the remote device. We want to transfer files between the Windows 11 device and Linux Mint device. So for protocols you have SFTP, SCP. We'll go with the default. Both use SSH. You'll need the host name or the IP address, which we took from the device, which was 172.16.1.104. The port number for SSH by default should be 22 unless it's changed. Then you'll need a username on that remote device and the password on the Linux Mint device for that user. You can save this if you want, but I'm not gonna save it. And then click on login. If it's your first time, it's gonna ask you if you trust that device. I'll accept. And once it's authenticated, it should show you the directories on the remote Linux Mint device, as well as whatever you have on your local device here. Now you can navigate to the different directories to see. This is the Linux Mint device on my right side. This is my Windows 11 device on the left side. If I go to the desktops, if I go to documents, I don't have anything on this device as far as documents. On this one, on the desktop, if we go back, we have this text file. That's what we are seeing. So on the downloads folder, this is what I have. You can see the WinSCP that I just downloaded. Now to transfer between the two, you just select the file and then you drag and drop it to the folder on the other device. So if I select this file and drag and drop it and click OK, it should be moved here on my Windows 11 device. So if I go to File Explorer here, you can see that now I have that file here. Same thing, we can move files from the Windows 11 to the Linux Mint. I can grab, let's say, Chrome setup. I'm able to transfer it. If I go here, there it is. I'm able to transfer the file. So that's all for this video. That's how you can copy or transfer files between a Windows 11 device and a Linux Mint device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you all in my next video. Thanks. Bye.